Alright, got the doors off, and we got them stripped down of all the extremities like the glass, weather stripping, door panels, door handles, stuff like that. So now I'm just going to try to knock off some of the loose paint because they like spray painted them and stuff. So I just got the wire wheel on a drill, and we're going to see how that works. Might have to resort to my little scuff pad, a little angle die grinder with a scuff pad or something like that on it. We'll see what happens. So, see what happens. We'll resort to the scuff pad. Alright, basically what I'm doing now is doing some tedious sanding on the doors. Basically just getting these the door jambs sanded down and making sure that they're nice and smooth and there's no paint buildup around the seams or anything like that. And so I'm just hand sanding it. I'm using 180 grit. And so this is this area here is pretty much done around the top. You see I got the inside on this lip here. I'm gonna have to remove this sticker and finish sanding down here, and then I basically just have to go all the way around the jam area, and then I'm gonna focus on trying to remove this paint because this is the spray paint that someone put on here, and then just scuffing this area up, basically up to right here where, you know, they didn't put the paint. And these doors they're not the factory doors. Obviously the truck was black, and then these doors were actually tan. But they're in really good shape, so no rust on it. That's probably why they were replaced, is maybe the original ones were rusted out, kind of like the cap corners and rockers. But it's basically what I'm doing. I might show you some time lapse of the other door, but I'm just going to go ahead and finish this one out. And then this door has no dents on it that I'm aware of. The other door is kind of ripply, and I'm actually out of 40 grit right now, so I'm just going to use the air file with 100 grit on this door, see if there's any dents, and then also on the other door, see if I can kind of work them out. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to skim it with body filler, and I might do that anyways and just use the cheese grater and 100 grit, but 40 grit is really the way to go. But yep, just going to get these the inside of this door prepped and then flip it over, see what we can work with 100. I don't know if you can really tell, but there is, you know, a couple layers of paint on this. They have the original primer, and it looks like red and then the tan on the exterior, or tan and then the red and then more red, and then it looks like black. So maybe these doors were painted black to match the truck on like the exterior. Who knows? But basically what I'm getting to is I need 40 grit on the air file to strip this, because that's the way I like to do it. I feel a little wave right here and down here. So basically I'm just gonna prep the other door on the door jambs like this is, and then I'm going to finish with the headlight bezels, and then the cowl, and then I'm just gonna prime the the inside of the doors, the cowl, and then the headlight bezels today. That way the tedious work is kind of done, and then whenever I get some 40 grit, I can just come back and then bust down the outside, do the body work on the outside of the doors, and then put those in primer. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and wash off this door. And I'm going to prep the inside of the other door, and then the cowl and stuff like that, and then we'll start shooting a little bit of primer.